This video is general advice only. Do not place a trade based on what you're seeing here today because trading the market is hard. There are so many different things that you need to get good at to becoming what I call a super trader. There's a format that you need to follow over time to becoming a super trader. So click here to download the super trader formula right now for free. What's up, traders? In this video, I am going to be sharing with you the S&P 500. Showing you what's happening through there and what's going on right now. Now, yesterday I did a video based on showing you that these two levels through here, this level through here, and then we also had this level through here. You can see that this day it came down and bounced off support here, it held here, it bounced here and ran off. So you got 1, 2, 3 areas of touches through here, and the lowest point is there, as you can see, right? But the overall majority of the support is around about here, and you can see this whole level was a support, and then it ran right back up today. Okay, so what we're looking at here is on the S&P 500, we can see that, but I was also saying that, hey, if I bring out the Fibonacci tool, the Fibonacci retracement from the low to high, we can really see, right? We can really see that this level of 50 to 62% level, I said if this level holds, then we're likely to keep running back up. If it doesn't hold, then we're likely to keep running down. We can see what happened yesterday, right? Yesterday we had a nice update, really nice update in the S&P 500. I also pointed out yesterday too that we do have right now, we have this peak up here. So we have this peak here, okay? Then we have a lower trough. Now we have a higher peak, and now we're getting into a higher trough. This is actually a bullish, very bullish sign. For quite some time, we could see we had a higher peak, and then we had a higher trough, then we had a lower peak, then we had a lower trough, then we had an equal peak, and then we had an equal trough. Now we have a higher peak and higher trough. This is actually a very, very bullish sign in the markets, and so therefore more upside should come. Now obviously don't place a trade based on what I just said just there, because you need to have your entry signals and stuff like that. It makes sense, right? You know, gotta make sure I put the disclaimer in there. But you know what I mean. So that's what's happening right now. And if I look on say the weekly chart, okay, let's have a look at the weekly chart. The weekly chart, you can really see on the weekly chart. I just said the weekly chart 4 times. It's Friday. Here in Australia anyway. You can see here on this chart here, the weekly chart, you have resistance, 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 and then we broke up on the weekly chart and closed. You can see here on this weekly chart, it could not close. Depends on what happened tonight, but now tonight actually looks like it's going to be a nice update tonight. Okay, so this looks like it's holding support very nicely, and we're seeing that continued nice move on this overall weekly. On this overall sort of weekly channel through here, if you're gonna call it that, you know, nice little weekly channel. Okay, so anyway, so that's what I still see there. That's on the nice weekly chart there. You can see if I just drew that through there, you can see how this is nicely holding out support through here. Okay, and so if we have a look at the hourly chart, let's have a look at the quick look at the hourly chart here. On the hourly chart, we can actually see that this market was running down through here. Okay, and then we had to change the angle through here, and you can actually see that angle through there, which was a bit of a channel going on at the time, as you can see through there on the hourly chart. If I bring this out just a little bit more, there you can see on the hourly chart, it ran down support, hit resistance, and then dropped it down again. That there is a very, very, very nice setup. I'll talk about that a bit later on. But you can see it came down, ran up, and then dropped back down again. A big drop back down, came and dropped back down, and went all the way through here. And as this market went through here, I actually said on yesterday's video that this market's dropped down through here and we're likely to get a turnaround. That's exactly what's happened. This is what I call my bullish reversal flag. Okay, my bullish reversal flag. Sorry, a bearish reversal, because it looks like a bear flag, right? Sort of bear flag type thing. But it's actually a reversal flag. Then it's broken up to the high side. So now we're getting some nice movement up to the high side, and it's clearing this overall resistance level through here as well too. So just depends on what we're seeing on the hourly chart. If we start to create higher troughs, higher peaks and higher troughs on the daily chart, well, we're likely to continue running up. If market holds here and then breaks back down below the support levels, which is highly unlikely, but if it does, then we know we're on a bit more downtrend. And if it does start to break these lows through here, then the market is my projection is down here at this support level right here. Anyway, guys, that's it for me for this chart. I hope you've enjoyed this. This is John Howell here from officialjohnhowell.com. Remember, success can be yours if you go claim it. So step up, take massive action, and face your fears today. If you're still struggling to get ahead in the markets, then you need to download the Super Trader Formula right now. There are so many different things that you need to get good at, and the Super Trader Formula will show you exactly what to focus on first, second, third, and so on. And I promise you this, follow the Super Trader Formula and you will make more progress in the next few months than you have in the last 12 months. I know it's a big promise, but you see exactly what I'm saying. So click here to download the Super Trader Formula right now for free. Also, if you're looking for more fun, more freedom, more income, then you need to download my brand new book called How to Travel and Holiday Like a Millionaire Without Being One. In this book, you'll learn how to take amazing dream trips while saving thousands of dollars and create a six-figure income by helping others do the same. Click here to download my brand new book for free now.